Hey YouTube. Hey, this is Ryan here. One thing I wanted to do is make a video on something that happened to me not too long ago, just yesterday actually. And I didn't find too many videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd make one real quick. Hopefully it'll help everybody out. Got a Kubota L2501, and when I was coming down the hill, I had my PTO, my mower, at full number 8, so that I don't hit any stumps or anything like that. But when I came down a hill, it bogged out, killed the engine, wouldn't start back up. Now I disconnected the PTO, disconnected the mower, it still wouldn't start up. All I got was the 3 little error lights on the dashboard and just a click whenever I started the key. So one thing I found, and I couldn't find it anywhere on any YouTube videos, so I thought I'd put it here for you, is the safety switches on all of these. They're just a little tricky. They're just a little finicky, because of course, the new things, these are not our grandfather's tractors where you start it up and it'll pull a tree out even if it blows the motor. So one thing I wanted to show you was, if this happens to you, if your PTO goes out or you gum it up by bogging out and the engine won't start back up, to reset the safety switch in this particular instance is going to be this little lever right here on your mower attachment to engage the PTO. Just back and forth like this, it'll start right back up. That releases the safety switch from keeping the motor from starting. Hope this helps you all out. Leave a like and share if you like it.